Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well. If you are new to my YouTube channel and you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So guys, today I am going to show you how I make my homemade fried rice. Now this fried rice is packed with chicken, we have prawns, we have veggies, we have bacon. One thing I love about fried rice is you can literally use any type of veggies of your choice and also any type of meat, and it is easy to make and it's absolutely delicious. Now let's get started. For my fried rice recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have a day-old cooked rice, eggs, some prawns. This has been deveined and deshelled. I have my peas, diced carrot, spring onions, some chilies. Feel free to omit chilies if you don't like spicy food. I have bacon, black pepper, garlic granules, white pepper, some minced garlic, onions, chicken breast, jumbo crayfish flavouring stock, chicken seasoning, smoked paprika, onion granules, my sesame oil, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce and light soy sauce. I will list everything in the description box below. I am now going to season the prawns, and I'll set this aside and allow the prawns to marinate for about 5 minutes. Now time to season a chicken breast. I'm going to add all my seasonings. I'll mix everything together. Again, I'll set this aside and allow the chicken breast to marinate for 5 minutes. Now going to lightly season my eggs using black pepper and Himalayan salt, and again I'll set this aside for later use. Now in a bowl, I am going to mix all the sauces which I will be using for the fried rice, and I will set this aside for later use. whilst the prawns and chicken is marinating, time to start frying the bacon. So I have added the bacon to my wok, and I'm going to allow the bacon to fry until it is a little bit crispy and golden brown. So this is exactly what I'm looking for. I am now going to remove the bacon and I'll set this aside for later use. Now time to fry the chicken breast. So in goes my chicken breast. I'm going to allow the chicken breast to fry on each side for about 5 minutes until it is golden brown. I'm now going to remove the chicken breast from my wok. I will set this aside for later use. I am now going to fry the prawns. I needed a little bit more oil, so I've added a little bit more oil to the wok. I'm now going in with my prawns and I'll allow the prawns to cook on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the prawns are done, I will remove and I'll set this aside for later use. And finally, time to cook the eggs. So to my wok, I have added a little bit of oil. Next, I'm going to whisk the eggs, add it to the wok, and I will be scrambling the eggs. Once this is done, I will remove the egg and I'll set this aside for later use. Time to begin making the fried rice. The bacon is done, prawns is cooked, chicken is cooked, eggs is cooked. So in my wok, I have added more oil. I am now going to add my onions and garlic. I'm going to allow this to fry until fragrant and translucent. I'm going to add my diced carrot to the wok, and as the carrot is fresh and is quite crunchy, I just want the carrot to saute for about 2 minutes. I am now going to add my peas. Next, I'm going to add the chilies, and I'll continue mixing everything together for about 2 minutes. Now time to add the cooked chicken, the bacon and the prawns. I'll mix everything together for about 3 minutes. I am now going to add my rice. However, I'm going to divide this into 2 and I'll mix everything together. Then I'll add the second part. Guys, just look at this fried rice. Just look at the colors just bouncing out of this wok. Now I am going in with the second part of the rice, and I'm going to mix everything together. The reason why I do this is just to ensure that the rice is well mixed in the veggies and the meat before I add my sauces. Now time to add the fried rice sauce, and I'm going to mix everything together to ensure that the rice is well coated in the sauce. Guys, just look at this fried rice. Does it not look good? It just looks and it smells amazing. Final touches, I'm going to add the scrambled eggs and the spring onions. Mix everything together, and that's it. The fried rice is ready. As always, thank you so much for joining me. I really do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your bell notification icon, and I'll see you next time. Bye.